welcome you to my channel, and today I'm here to cover the theme and the poetic devices of the poem Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. So let's quickly start with the theme of the poem. Before we begin, there's a beautiful quote for you. Success isn't about being the best, it's about being better than yesterday. So, let's get started with the video. The poem is based on the central idea that the world will encounter two forces. Can you name them? Yes, fire and ice, either of which will spell its end. What does this mean? It refers to the destruction of the entire world by the two catastrophic forces, fire and ice. The poet uses these both literally as well as symbolically. Okay, so first we will understand the literal meaning. Literally, the world may move towards global warming or excessive coldness, which will bring its doom. Symbolically, they represent two contrasting emotions. Fire stands for violent passions like anger, cruelty, brutality, and ice signifies hatred, indifference, insensitivity, jealousy. Both these forces suppress human values and they alienate people. Okay, and that is the reason why they are capable of destroying the world. So here are the poetic devices. The very first is assonance. What does it mean? It is a repetition of the vowel sound in the same line. For example, in this line, I'll just show you in the poem. See, from what I've tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Okay, this is the line. I hold with those who favor fire. Then the next is alteration. We all are very familiar with alteration, the repetition of consonant sound. In the very same line, who favor fire, sound F, is being repeated. Next is anaphora. Anaphora, it is a repetition of the same phrase in the same verse. Okay, where you all can see here, some say, some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. So here the entire phrase some say is being repeated. So we are having this poetic device anaphora. Next we have symbolism. In the entire poem, you all can see by now, there are two forces, fire and ice, which are symbolic of human emotions, which we frequently deal. Like fire stands for brutality, or it stands for anger, it stands for passion, it stands for desire, whereas ice is symbolic of cold emotions, right? Like hatred, jealousy, indifference, and so on. So that is all for today. Thank you everyone, and I'll be back with another poem, that is A Tiger in the Zoo.